What's up? Happy Wednesday.
Welcome, kings and queens.
Trying to pin this thing.
Pinned it already.
You pin? Oh, okay. What a guan. Come on in. Happy Wednesday. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening to you. Good evening. Good evening. And how do you do? I'm having my dinner. Yes. Yes. You know what this is? A cucumber. That's what I'm having tonight. Yes. Anybody else love cucumber? I love cucumber. Good evening. Good evening.
It's a healthy snack.
Yes, yes. You know, it's too late to eat big food, so I'm having a cucumber. How do y'all say it in America?
Cucumber.
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 No, cucumber.
Cucumber.
No, cucumber.
Cucumber.
Yeah, there you go.
What's going on? I could pick up some people now. Beverly.
Beverly, welcome.
Beverly Jackson, you come up in here with your bad self, huh?
Nationette.
Nationette, big up yourself. Desiree, how you doing?
Desiree.
Vanessa.
Hugs right back at you, Desiree. Vanessa.
Yes. Merlin, good night.
Richie, good evening.
Andy, good evening.
Janice.
Janice. Munchie.
Munchie,
How
good
you
evening,
doing?
good evening, good evening.
night.
Well, go on, pick up, pick up, pick up.
Big up.
Diana.
Oh, the what is very good. The what is very good, Diana. Slimadic.
Well, go on.
Marlon.
Marianne.
Mary. See me always I say that. Once remember blind.
Yeah, you're blind.
Jesus God.
Jenna.
It's Marlon.
Marianne.
Oh, it's an I. Lord Jesus. Marianne. Don't do me nothing. Yeah? Yes.
Perseverance.
Perseverance. What a guan. May I eat a cucumber.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. All right.
Pamela.
Jamaica we say cucumber. Yeah, right? A cucumber we call it.
Chevy.
Yeah.
Now listen to her, yeah?
A cucumber. So if I buy the cucumber, if I cut it. I eat it slice.
Bite it.
No, me I do it slice.
Bite.
And be a lady. Yeah? Yes, you understand? Me I be a lady.
Mind you poke yourself in the knife.
It's very good.
The skin is very good.
Everything is good. Watch that on the phone. It's very good.
Come on.
Yeah.
Silence it.
So,
Nation, I tell you, say a cucumber.
Cucumber.
Cordelia,
Yeah.
well, go on. Tell us a
Cordelia, what's
cucumber.
going on? So me bring this on purpose, you know, because some people are saying them not gonna eat cucumber again. Me said cucumber.
Let me tell you if you eat it with the skin. And word on the street is single ladies love cucumbers.
Oh, I
Yeah, well, go on. Padona. Bite it.
Bite it.
They said bite it hard. They
Who
said
don't
put
bite
it in your. They said put all of it in your mouth and bite.
Oh, no, sir. I grew up in a church. I never come back camera and do them things there. I behave myself. You understand? I try to behave myself. But somebody commented and said, they don't know if them can eat cucumber again. Somebody there for sure you can. You understand? You can eat cucumber again. Because the ah, boy. Somebody said, let me think me a Christian. I'm going to the fridge and take out a penis out of the fridge. This is what I took out of the fridge. And I put it in a plate on the floor. So I didn't really dugu pan the cucumber. You understand? So as some can't act good, make people that really think say me dugu with my pants on.
Foot handcuff.
You know what I mean? Me do with the cucumber, then I play it side of me pan the floor. So lady, it wasn't a penis, it was a cucumber.
Cucumber.
You understand? And that now make me go hell because I take one cucumber out of the fridge. By the way.
So let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
So Christians not have sex, not have intercourse.
Me no know in a look, sir.
That's what I know. Because I mean, observing TV, what on?
Well, observing TV, good
You're cracking
night.
up, you know.
How you doing?
Because them have picnic. So a miraculous picnic them have.
Them conceive like the Virgin Mary.
Most.
You understand?
Them picnic their miracle baby.
Yes, them conceived like the Virgin Mary. Then they conceived by the pillow and the sheet and stuff like that. And a really intercourse them have.
I guess.
You understand?
I guess,
so what this?
I guess all the pastor them, all of them baby, you know, miracle baby. Them a baby Jesus Junior.
Yes.
I guess.
So, so the person say, them think me the Christian because the way me take out the penis out of the fridge and wine pan the penis. The cucumber.
Alrighty.
And you say, I put in my mouth just to that woman there.
Now come get chocolate for me now. No, sir.
So that means I can't come back on your Sunday. Come keep gospel show. I can't come do no more church business because
you're right.
me take out a cucumber out of my fridge.
Yeah. No, I dildo. She say you take out.
A cucumber. One of them say cucumber too.
Yeah.
So I can't praise God no more because I take out a cucumber out of my fridge. You understand? That's the whole thing. So when you see me pan here, that means I go straight to hell. Because I take out a cucumber out of my friend. Yeah. Rasta. So those are the people me realize and them keep people out of church. Because if me now figure join church and say me can't move, so that means when me make love with my husband, me fi just lay down stiff so like one board.
And that may I say, Latoya. And that may I say, she not no sense of humor, too holy.
So Christian no wine? No, tell me, any Christian that buy you, no wine pan it, just lay down so? Just so? Just so.
Let me tell you, if you have your cucumber, yeah?
Yeah? I saw it go. Yeah, damn the cucumber.
Bite it. Let's say if you take out 2 more cucumber.
It's good, you say?
Then say a cucumber, a nice big size. And that them for say.
You know what I'm saying? Me never see such a set of ridiculous people. All this time, I used to see mad people per road, but them they're all over the internet. You understand?
Very much so.
Yeah, them they're all over the internet. Is what's in your heart, let God your judge and eat your cucumber. They too enough. I agree.
Wine all you can.
And that's why I bring it on, because like I'm showing you how ridiculous you guys they are. You understand? Because common sense would dictate to somebody if you tell them say chocolate not really there behind the counter of the cucumber up our crotches. You understand? Common sense. Yeah? It's all acting. It's called acting. You understand me? So I don't want to come on and me comment with no foolishness. And the next thing, people talk about me go low. Me just come to address the people them with them comment business. You understand? Me not address nothing else in the skit. On a seat already. So that was a whole building dropped down upon somebody. Alright. Yes. A whole building. Whether them want to admit it or not, me drop the building. Me not ask. Because all people will follow them and dip on them page, click in and watch it and laugh. You understand? Some that goes to show say well if a hypocrite. Oh no already say well if a hypocrite out there on social media. You understand? Then just not come in. But them watch. They did. And laugh too. Yes. Me drop the whole building.
Oh, hold on. Sasha Lee, hold on. You're saying the pay than the mind we know better. It's one thing for you to be out here. You're out there watching. You're not the one that's being attacked. We've been attacked multiple times and have ignored over and over again.
We didn't come to address it either tonight.
No, we didn't come to address it tonight. That's not why we came on tonight.
But if you want to address it, go ahead, Vanilla.
Me just to tell you, say, it gets to the point where enough is enough, and you have to clap back.
The thing about it, people, is I ramp. Them have a saying, me ramp rough. Me ramp very rough. That's why me not ramp at all. You understand me? Me ramp rough, and me not ramp for lose. You understand? Me always ramp for win. Me know how me is. That's why me not come on the internet, and me not bother nobody. You understand? That's why me come on the internet, and me mind my business. Because me know, so me not ramp. You know, me no ramp mediocre. When me ramp rough. And anything me say me a do, I hit me a do. You understand? So if me say me I go sue a girl, that's exactly what me I go do. And me not go hide it. Me I go come out here and me I go tell. Say I me do it. As some steer. You understand? Me no ramp for lose. Me don't do nothing for lose. You understand? Me might lose, but me not do it for lose.
Nope.
Me go with everything in me.
All intention.
You understand? I made a try to prevent it. Trying to not go there. You understand? And if you watch the skit, even at the very end, I still show class as a lady and tell the person, these are the things you need to ask God for. You understand? The whole point is that you are mentally imprisoned. You understand? Obviously, I couldn't put on a chain on my brain or inside of my head or the suit. You understand? Yes. But you are mentally imprisoned. You understand me? It's just like if something should happen to me in life. All right, let's use that. And I ended up serving time. I would not use that every day as an excuse or to throw a pity party. I would use that experience to motivate women out there to let them know the mistakes that I've made to land me in that situation, that I don't want the same for you. You understand? Not everything somebody say, you bring up that. This is the reason why. You're the one holding on to that like nobody's business, riding it. So you're not free.
No.
You're not free. You understand? You're not free. Because you don't have to keep reminding people of that. You're the one who kept reminding people. You understand? Your life should dictate that you have elevated past that, beyond that. That people see you and say, you know what? If she can go through this, if Chocolate can go through that and overcome that and make such a beautiful life, I can do the same thing.
And be positive.
And be positive.
And stop being
not
so negative about everything. Everything and everybody is so negative. You have to turn it around and be positive and show a positive impact on other people. And stop being so negative about everything. Not everybody is gonna answer you. We're not gonna answer you no more.
Yes, and me ignore, and people, okay, them come on and comment and talk about say a lie and this and that. All right, okay, me talk to one of my supporters. All right, okay. So for example, Master Baker was actually about her, right? Somebody else, all right, somebody do Master Baker, and it's about me, and I'm a baker. You know how much me that capitalize on that? You know how much I could use that to advance my business Because first of all, me not gonna make the person know say it bother me. Me I gonna make fun of it and say, you know what? Me a master baker then. Me a master baker. Me a have a master baker special. Because one thing about people is, they like when you use a negative and turn it around and make it into a positive. That's the thing. Yeah. You understand? It's the same thing as what we Auntie did with the yellow bus situation. People love that. When you take a negative, don't let it bother you, but you just use it and flip it and turn it into a positive. You understand? People love that. Yes. And who are gonna look bad if it's really about you? Or if it's really about me? The person who do it to me, I gonna look bad eventually. Right? But no. You claim something that did not belong to you and you just take it away and you won't let it go and you're nasty about it. You go upon that way. We never came out here and go upon nobody.
We never came up here. We never disrespect nobody, go up under them. We never talk about nobody's kids. We never talk about nobody's family. We don't do that.
We don't do that. No. And tonight, yeah, the skit is the last of it. And tonight at the last, never even mention this. And it turned into something that I didn't want it to turn into, because I came out to just address the people them were come under the video and make them comment. You understand? To make it clear to them, say, them are not God. You understand? And God is the ultimate judge. God knows my heart. I don't have to come out here and prove anything to anyone. So if you were watching me and thought I was a Christian, I never came out here and tell nobody that I was Evangelist Chocolate. I told people that I was brought up in church. I'm a strong believer in God, yes. And me know say God still love me in spite of what me do, because him know that enough was enough. Yes, because I let it slide and slide and slide and slide. And me say, you know what? I go shut it down. Me don't know if it shut down, but I ain't participating anymore. That's it. Bottom line. Point blank and period. You understand? We have feelings too. We have families. You can't just get up and cuss people, families that you never met in your life. You never encounter my husband. You don't know what happened in my house. You understand? You come for me if you want to come for me. Not bring my family in there, because I'm not bring people family in a no argument when I have.
Right.
I'm the type of person, if me even give you something and me and you fall out, me not going to take it and curse you. Me mean that. Me not going to take it and curse you and mention that I did this or did that for you. I'm not that way. You understand? Make a cuss about what we are cuss about. If we are cuss about cucumber, make a cuss about cucumber. If we not going to talk, make we not talk because of the cucumber. As some seed. Yes, that means if me give you something and me use it and take it and tell you, that means I never gave it from my heart.
Yeah.
You understand?
There was no good intention.
No good intention behind it. All right. People come on that the comment and they said that I may have wally a skeleton in my closet. I remember put a skeleton them out there tonight and set the record straight. Of course, me have skeleton in my closet. I'm there to talk about the skeleton them what in my closet. Yes? All right. Which part me start? And you have skeleton too?
Yep.
Yes, because everybody have skeleton. Been with my husband from I was 14 years old. The only man me ever been with. Never sleep with nobody husband, never take no girl man. None of that. Alright? Me raised in a church. Yes. Me dish out my dirty laundry them. Yes. Me raised in a church. Yeah. Me, as far as me remember, a church me can remember. Church and school. Our church function, that's where you'll find chocolate. Me used to sing at church. Yes. Left Jamaica when me was 16 years old. Come to the United States. Me a dish out. And me telling her everything. Before me come to the United States, skeleton in my closet, yes, me used to hide from school every once in a while. Yes, till my mother find out and bust my ass. Yeah. Yes? Yes. All right. Come to the United States at 16 years old. At the age of 21, Vanilla and I went to Jamaica for our 21st birthday, and I burned some weed. When we get to like 19, used to go enough party in New York. Used to go to the clubs and all of that. No man can call my name. None. Because all that was on my mind was the wonderful boyfriend that me did have at Jamaica. I went back to Jamaica, 16. I know me all over the place. When I was 16, I came here the February. The August, my father passed away. And I went back to Jamaica. All of us went back to Jamaica, my brothers and the family. And Mike proposed to me at 16 years old. Yes. Never get married to him until I was 18 years old. Never cheated on my husband. Never. Never. If he cheat on me, yes. Yes, he has. Yes, he has. In the earlier part of our relationship. Right? But me can tell you, I did not. Yes. Me you're out in the laundries. Okay. First job in New York at 16 years old was at a beauty salon called Mr. Christopher, an Italian-owned beauty salon. Live with my mother and my brother and my sisters. Sister had a store next door to the beauty salon, so she ended up getting me the job at the beauty salon. I never had to pay any bills living with my mother, so I used to take the plane like taxi for go to Jamaica. For go look for my boyfriend, Michael. Yes. Let me think about any dirty laundry. May I try think. Never.
At that time, when we used to go to club, he was your husband.
Yeah, he was my husband when we used to go to club because I got married at 18.
Yep.
So after we got married, we start going to the club. We used to go to the club all the time. Yes, we know the owner of them at the club, and we know clubs where wife and husband own and them love we, you know. By going to the club, people get to know we and stuff like that. Yeah. We came from Jamaica. It was, my mom took up I have sisters that lives in the United States long before we came here. But when my mom took me over here, it was me and my 3 brothers. We all lived together with my mom in New York. Yes, we all lived. That's why I don't look down on people. That's why I'm not a show-off person. I'm very humble. We all lived together in a 1-bedroom apartment in the Bronx. But when we all leave that 1-bedroom apartment, we all ended up owning our own house because we all save, yes, towards what we wanted. Yes. So, yes, let me think of anything else for telling you. One can dig up on me. At the age of what? It was, I want to say around 20. I was what, 21? Because 21, because we moved back to New Hampshire not long after.
It was 23.
23 when we moved back. Okay, so we moved from New York to New Hampshire at the age of 23 because my husband had got through to come to the United States. So I figured I needed to take life serious now because I have to move out of my mom's apartment, right? So I moved to New Hampshire. Yes, and that's where I bought my first place. Yes, it was a townhouse. We lived there for 8 years, and then we decided New Hampshire was just too boring. It's a great place to start out, but we wanted a place with life, and I didn't want to move back to New York. So my husband, he has family out here in Georgia, so we came out, we visited, and we love what we saw, and we started looking for a home out here. And we ended up purchasing a house out here in Georgia, and we relocated to Georgia. Started my business back in 2014? 2014. Yes, me not good with dates, so that's why I will look pan Vanilla. Not that me a lie, me just not good with dates. Vanilla is brilliant with numbers and stuff like that. She have to keep me in line. Yes. So yes, and that's it. Me can't think of nothing. Me can't really sit down and make up one story and tell us me used to do this or me used to do that or this I go come out of my closet. The only thing left in my closet, me give it in a nutshell, the only thing left in my closet is shoes and clothes. I'm addicted to clothes and shoes, and yeah, you go in there, it's too much for one person. I'm willing to give with some, because that's all me stay. Yeah,
and she has given away some.
Yes, and that's all me is. You understand? I really come out here for entertain, for give back, because I remember when I didn't have, yes, and I will always remember that. Nobody can ever, I can never get anywhere in a life where I will forget where I'm coming from. I will never forget. Yes, so that's why I am such a giving person, because I love to put smile on people's face. I don't like to see people unhappy. I love kids, especially kids. Kids have my heartstring. I'm just giving you all a little bit of chocolate. You understand? Nothing add on and nothing taken away. I love to have fun. When my family have party, then we tell you chocolate at the life at the party.
Very true.
Get crazy. Yes, I'm that type of person. Me can't stay sad for long. I just can't. If somebody died today, me will be sad till probably the beginning, till the middle of next week. But me can't stay there. Me have to do something for have some type of fun. That's me. Yeah. When COVID came in, I couldn't take the lockdown and the seriousness of it. So me have to fly out. Yeah. Me have to fly out and go to Jamaica and just go there for just look on the beach, and even though nobody named too much. Break. Yeah, a mental break, because I'm the type of person I just love to have fun. That's me in a nutshell. Me telling her everything. If anybody do no background check, that's exactly what they're gonna find. Nothing more, nothing less. Me no look down upon nobody will get in a trouble or anything befall them in a life. I don't. I understand situation. But when you come for me and I don't send for you, then you will feel the wrath of chocolate. Me no just talk. Me will do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And one last thing, I see my black woman, and women are not all, more so, and I'm being frank, because Vanilla knows how I am. I have to keep it real. That's just me. I see women, most importantly, my black women, as queens. And that's why when I came out on this platform, I started calling you guys queens, because we've been through so much. You understand? Yes. When I know it shape our nose, it size our waist, when I know the single mother, when I know heartbreak, when I know this, when I know that. You understand? And you gotta be a queen to be so strong in this world. And I think our women are the strongest and the most beautiful. And I look at all women as beautiful.
But you have a lot of women of different races that go through those same things. So
yes, that's true.
You do.
That's true, but
because I was a single mother for a while.
Yeah.
You know, I'll put out there. I you know, Chocolate introduced me to my ex before I got married, my kid's father, and you know, we were together for 19 years. There were certain things going on in our relationship that I didn't like, and I left him. You know, and I was a single parent for a long time. My kids are older now, so they're all over the age of 18. I got married 5 years ago, December, to Chocolate's brother-in-law. You know, everybody goes through their ups and downs in life, and everybody has skeletons in their closet. And I'm not ashamed of the things that I've gone through, because the things that I've gone through made me the strong person that I am today.
Okay, back to when we start. Back to when we leave off, Vanilla, with the black woman and being queens. To me, I know in every culture, in every race, females have gone through things. But I refuse to believe that any other race of women have gone through the things that our black queens have
and
gone
I'm not
through.
saying that they've gone through all of those things, but the things that you mentioned, people of various different races have gone through. They haven't been discriminated against like a black woman has.
Correct.
As an example, they haven't been targeted because of the color of their skin as a black woman has, or a black man.
Exactly.
Those, you know, you're right about that. There are certain things, yes, they have that other races have not gone through, but there are some examples that you did give that, you know, people of various different races can go through, like being a single parent and going through rough times.
And I specifically say, I know that there are other women who have gone through this. Right. But when it comes to my black queens, I will always stand in defense because I'm a black woman. And first and foremost, not saying that you're not a queen. You know that you're a queen. Yeah. To me too. But that's why I emphasize the queen word to my black sisters, because I know that I have the experience, or even if I don't, I know someone who has.
And I know people who have gone through.
And I walked in the shoes of a black woman. I've been through the discrimination,
and you know,
which a white person cannot tell me
you're
it's
right.
on the same level.
You're right, it's not, because I'm not saying it's on the same level, but if you look at my kids, people aren't going to look at my children that they're mixed.
Well, I'm not talking about your children.
I'm just saying they will go through those same things that you've been through. My daughter will go through those same things that you have been through, because the people looking at her, they're not going to look at her and say she's mixed. They're going to look at her as a young black woman.
True. But my queens, y'all know where I'm coming from, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And it's unfortunate that people have to go through that. It's sad.
Queens, you're who you are, so you just be you and nobody else can please everyone. Absolutely. It's impossible to please everyone, but I just want to throw my closet out there, because according to them, I'm putting what's inside people's closet out there. But I thought those were already out there. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm just emptying my closet. You understand? I'm not perfect. Even though I haven't been through some stuff that other females have been through, I'm not a perfect woman. I never came out here and claimed to be perfect. You know, sometimes I will come and I will chip all the bad word and stuff like that. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm not perfect. I'm far from perfect. So I don't want anybody coming over here expecting perfection from me. I'm not perfect. One thing I can tell you, though, about me, I'm loyal to a fault. That's me. Yes. And like I said, there are just certain things that are instilled in me that I can't go against. For example, I just told you guys, if I give you something and we fall out tomorrow, nobody gonna hear about it, because I felt like that would be me going against everything that I was taught. You understand? And the person that I am. It's that simple. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much, Elizabeth. Thank you so much. Yeah. So tonight we have the cage. Yeah, we have the cage. And we're going to give away some credits because we love to do it. Yep. We love giving away credits. No matter how small it is, I just know it helps somebody. And that's who I am. You understand? I can't help it. For the people in Jamaica, the winners, the stuff was cleared from the wharf today. The person went and picked them up from the wharf, so you should be getting your phone calls starting tomorrow, all right? We pay for shipping to you. It's coming to you on the Knoxford bus. You don't have to pay for anything. We always pay for shipping. Just know that you have to make your way to the Knoxford bus, wherever it is in your parish. I can't be responsible to take you there, all right?
That's the only thing
That's the only
for,
thing
is getting
you're
to Knoxford.
responsible for, is to go pick it up from Knoxford. All right.
And it will be shipped to the nearest Knoxford to you.
To you, exactly. All right. So that's it. Enjoy. All right. You guys know yourself. I'm not calling out your names. Enjoy. All right. And we're thinking about another giveaway, but we haven't decided on what yet, because we love to do that for our wonderful supporters, our wonderful queens and kings as well.
Yeah.
Right? Yes. So, somebody's calling and it's not time yet to call.
Let me get ready.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Why are you calling me?
Yep.
Ha, they hung up. You got cold feet. Hello? Hello? Hi. Who's this?
Hi, beautiful ladies. How are you?
We're good. Are you,
Good. Good evening.
are you calling me to beg me a piece of my cucumber?
Yes. Yes. Chocolate and vanilla, yes.
Yeah? All right. I'll ship you a piece, okay? You have to turn us down in the background.
Pardon me?
You have to turn me down in the background.
Okay, I'm hearing you now.
Yeah, you got to turn us down in the background, okay?
Yes.
So you called me because?
I'm interested in the game.
Oh,
You jumped the gun.
you jumped the gun because we haven't explained the game yet.
Okay, well, I'm gonna wait.
All right, call us back, okay? I have to explain it.
And I love you both.
We love you
We
too,
love you
Queen.
too.
You guys out. We love you.
We love
Thank
you
you.
too, Queen.
Love
Pick
you
up
too.
yourself here.
Okay.
All right, guys, wait before them start blow the phone already. Hold on.
I'm gonna try to program the number so they can call quick.
So, guys, we have the cage here. We're giving away 10 sets of credits tonight. We have 5 balls inside the cage. You call us, you pick a ball. It's from 1 to 5. Number 1 to 5. We don't want it long tonight because I can't stay on long tonight. I have to get up super early tomorrow. So it's going to be from 1 to 5. If the ball that you choose falls out once we spin this, then you are a winner, okay? We're going to need your name in a text and your phone service, all right? We send out the credits after we get off live, all
So
right?
if you can send it as soon as you win, that would be greatly appreciated.
All right, so let's go, all right? Because I'm going to blow up the phone, so let's do it. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night, Queen.
Good night, my queen. What number can I get you?
Number 2.
Number 2, all right. We're spinning for number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2, who's
It's
this?
going back in.
This is Wendy.
Wendy, text us your phone service, all right? Don't forget to text us now.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello.
Hello.
Good night.
Good night. What number can I get you?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Dang! On a lucky tonight, number
It's
4.
number 4. Who is this?
Melanique.
Melanique, please text us your name and your phone service. Or if you want the credits to go to someone, text us that number, okay? Congratulations. You're welcome. All right, let's go. The lines are blowing up. Hello, good night. Hello, number 7.
There's no 7.
Yes.
There's 1 to 5.
It's 1 to 5, Queen. It's 1 to 5. Call us back. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night. This is Juliet calling for number 5.
Number 5. Gillette's calling for number 5. Let's go, Gillette.
Number 3.
Number 3, Gillette. Sorry. All right, Queen. The calls are coming in fast. So, hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What number can I get you? Number 5. All right, number 5. All right, spinning for number 5.
Number 4.
Number 4, very close. Call us back. Hello, good night. Hello.
Good night.
All right, what number can I get you?
Number 7.
There's no 7.
There's no
It's just 5.
7.
Try
Gotta
back.
call us back, King. Sorry. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
3.
Number 3. Spinning for number 3. Let's go.
Number 4.
Number 4. Number 4. Come on, don't tell me we're going to have to go 50-50. Hello, good night.
Good night.
What number can I get you? Number 5. Let's spin for number 5. Come on.
Number 2.
Number 2, Queen, call us back. Number 2.
Sasha Lee, you got a call.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello. Good night. I can't hear you. What number?
Number 3.
Number 3. Spinning for number 3. Okay.
Number 4.
Number 4. Very close. Come on, people. You can do it. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What number can I get you?
Number 2.
Number 2. Let's spin for number 2.
Number 5.
Number 5. Number 5. Call us back. Oh, come on.
We're doing so
Hello,
good,
good
man.
night.
Number 3.
Number 3. Let's go. Number 3.
Number 1.
Number 1. Number 1. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What number can I get you?
Number 4.
Number 4. Spinning for number 4.
Number 2.
Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Hold on, hold on. I'm coming, I'm coming. Hello, good night. What number can I get you?
Number 5.
Number 5. All right, we're spinning for number 5.
Number 1.
Number 1. Uh-oh, what's going on? I thought we were on a run. Hello, good night.
Shake 'em up, shake 'em up.
What number can I get you?
Number 5.
Number 5. Let's spin for number 5.
Number 4.
Number 4. Number 4, honey. Number 4. Come on, we gotta, hold on, hold on, hold on. There's something going on here. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Number 2.
Come on, let's go. I can't, oh, number what?
Number 2.
Number 2, let's go. Number 2.
Number 5.
Number 5. Number 5. Come.
I think we need to go 50-50 soon.
Soon. We're gonna have to go 50-50 soon because this on no luck. Hold on there, I'll go on with my phone. Come on, Vanilla. This phone always irritate me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. 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 Alright, back in. Back in. Oh my god. System overload. Hello, good night. Number 5, let's go.
Number 4.
Number 4. One tuna man. Hello, good night. Give me that lucky number. Good night. That luck. Number 4. Spin for number 4.
Number 5.
Number 5. Uh-oh. Wanna say 50-50 people? Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Can I get the lucky number, please? Hello?
Number 5.
Number 5. Spinning for number 5.
Number 3.
Number 3. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Yes, let me have that lucky number.
Make a number 5, please.
Number 5. Beg your number 5, please. That's what I'm saying, Vanilla. Beg your number 5, please.
Number 4.
Number 4. She can't afford the 5. 4. Hello. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Can I get your lucky number?
Number 2.
Number 2. You can't get through,
4.
Sasha Lee. Come on, Sasha Lee, try and...
4.
Number 4. Number 4. Come on, Sasha Lee, try
Let's
again.
go 50-50.
We're going to go 50-50. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night, please.
Good night, love. What number can I get you?
5, please.
5. Number 5. We're spinning for 5.
Number 2.
Number 2. Uh-huh. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Lucky number?
4.
4.
4.
Okay.
Number 3.
Number 3.
No cigar.
All right. All other people.
50-50.
Oh, no, bad lucky bad.
2 people lucky, man.
So we're going to go
Beginning.
50-50. All on there for me. I'm not blow my phone. All on there. All on there, man.
We're going to do 1 and 5.
On the other earring. All right.
1 and 5.
1 and 5. 1 and 5. All right,
1
let's
and
go.
5.
Hello, good night. Give me that lucky number.
4.
Number, okay, it's a
50-50.
50-50, 1 and 5. Which one you want? Number 1?
Number 5.
Number 5, all right.
5.
5, who is this?
Patricia.
Patricia, text me your number. Text me your name and number.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, good night. 50-50. Which one you want? 1 or 5?
1.
1. All right. Let's go.
5.
5. Pick the wrong one, baby. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. 50-50, 1 or 5?
Number 1.
Number 1. Let's go.
Number 1.
Number 1, who's this?
Lillian.
Lillian. All right, Lillian. Text me your phone service and your name, all right? Lillian. You're welcome. Hello, good night. Hello. Give me that lucky number.
Number 5.
Number 5. All right, let's go. Number 5. Number 5. Stay alive. Number 5.
Number 1.
Number 1. Uh-oh. Ouch. Hello, good night. 1 or 5? Number 5. All right, let's go. Number 5. Number 5.
Number 1.
Number 1. I'll make you the 50-50 on the bad luck is here. Hello, good night. Give me that lucky number. Hello?
Reconnecting.
Hello? What number? What? 5. All right. Spinning for 5. Come on.
Number 5.
Number 5. Who is this? Say your name for me. Tiandra?
Deandra.
Deandra. All right, Deandra. Text us your name and your phone service.
Tiana, she said.
You're welcome. Hello, gotta go. Hello, give me the lucky number. Number what? Hello, what's the number? Hello? Gotta move on. Hello, good night. Give me that lucky number.
That win
Good
already.
night.
That win already. Remember the picture there.
Lucky number.
See? That's a Wendy.
Wendy, you cheat. Give somebody else a chance.
Somebody else now give credit.
And somebody else, make it somebody else call. Cause people that on them phone a call. Yes. Hello, good night. Give me that lucky number. Hello?
Hello, good night.
Can I get that lucky number? Number 5. Spinning for 5. Yeah, spinning for 5.
Number 1.
Number 1. All right, moving on.
5 credits left.
5 left. Come on. Hello, good night. What number would you like?
Number 1.
Number 1. Spinning for number 1.
Number 1.
Number 1. Who's this?
Danique.
Danique. Text us your name and your phone service.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No.
Hello, good night.
Record.
Hello, good night.
Number 5.
Number 5. Spinning for number 5. Let's go. All right.
Number 5.
Number 5. Who's this?
Patricia.
Patricia. Congratulations. Text us your name and your phone service.
She won already?
No, it's Patricia.
Patricia.
No chocolate, I didn't win before.
I know. I'm just telling her that it's
Okay.
not you. All right. Congratulations, Queen. Yes. Hello. Hello. Good night.
Hello. Good night. Number 5.
Number 5. Let's go. Let's go.
Number 1.
Number 1. Hello. Good night. Hello. Good night.
Hello.
What's the lucky number?
Number 1.
Number 1. Spinning for number 1. Let's go.
Number 5.
Number 5. All right. Call back. Hello. Hello. Good night. Hello. Good night.
Good night, Queen.
Good night. What's your lucky number?
Number 1.
Number 1. All right. Let's go.
Whoops. Number 5.
Number 5. Number 5, Queen. Hello. Good night. Hello. Good night.
Night, Queen.
Good night. What's the lucky number?
Can I get number 4?
Number 4 is
Yes,
not a
1 and
part
5.
of the cage. It's 50-50, all right?
Call back.
Where did she go? Oh, sorry. Hello, good night.
Good night, number 1.
Number 1, all right. Spinning for number 1.
Number 5.
Number 5 for the bad lucky.
3 credits left.
3 credits. Hello, good night. Make this count. What number you want?
Number
Huh?
what?
Number 5.
Number 5. Spinning for number 5.
Number 5.
Number 5, who is this? Say that for me, you're breaking up. Faith Ann? Faithian. Faithian, text me your name and your phone service, all right? All right. Phone a crack up. All right.
2 left.
2 left. Hello, give me that lucky number.
Number 5.
Number 5, let's go. Let's go, good luck.
Number 1.
Number 1. Hello, good night. Give me that lucky number.
5.
Number 5. We're spinning for number 5.
Number 1.
Number 1. Come on, man. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Can I get that lucky number 1? All right, let's spin for number 1.
Dang.
Hello, good
Just a
night.
fly out.
Yes, we're spinning for it.
Number 1.
Number 1, who's this? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, number 1, you got it. What is your name?
Shana.
Nationa, congratulations. Text us your name and your phone service.
Okay, Queen.
All right, love.
Congrats.
Hello, good night.
Hello, Chapital Malala. Good night.
Good
Hello,
night.
good night. What's the lucky number?
Number 5.
Number 5. We're spinning for number 5. Good luck, Queen. Let's go.
Okay.
Number 1.
Number 1, Queen. Number 1.
Last credit.
Last credit. Who's gonna get it? Come on. Hello, good night.
Number 1.
Number 1 upon the logo chart. And
And the number is 1.
the number is 1. Who's this? Slimmatic. Number 1 upon the logo chart. Congratulations, Queen. You're welcome. All right. I'll get that person some credit. Last one. All right, you don't have to spin. I'm just going to give you some credits. What's your name? Say your name for me again.
Alicia.
Alicia, you know a song number 1 up on the Look Good chart?
Give me the videos of boss.
You can't sing it for me, man. You can't DJ like a song for me. Number 1 up on the Look Good chart. Other side. Other side, go. Come on, man. You don't know it? Me don't know who sing it. Oh, Queen. All right, what's your name, honey? What's your name, Queen? Anisha. You don't know it? Sure. All right. All right, Anisha, congratulations. All right. You're welcome. You know what to do, Anisha?
Yeah, you know what to do.
All right, Anisha. Pick up yourself. And that's it. That's it until Sunday again. That's it until Sunday. Congratulations to all of the winners. If you didn't win tonight, go ahead, store that number in your phone. Yes, store the number in your phone. We do this again Sunday. All right?
Yep.
In our praise and worship. It was a pleasure, as always.
Thank you, kings and queens. Thank you for joining us. Congratulations to all the winners. And again, if you didn't win,
There's
stop
always
trying.
another time.
Yep.
Yes, because there's some first names, new people, a lot of new people.
Yeah, people put in there that they, see?
Yeah.
Yes, I won. I didn't stop. I said 5 and I win the credit.
Yes,
See?
you can stop. Maybe tonight wasn't your night, but some other night may be your night, all right?
That's right.
Again, reminder, Jamaican queens who won stuff the last time we had our giveaway. Your stuff, they're in Jamaica. Make sure you look out for that phone call. If you miss it, please return that call. Yes, because that person's a very busy person. So make sure you return that call to make arrangement for when you want your stuff to be sent to you, all right? I love you guys as always, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. We'll see you guys back on Sunday, all right? We're going to be here on Sunday for sure. This time. Yes?
Yep.
All right. Good night.
Love you, kings and queens.
Good night.
Have a blessed night. Take
Good
care of
night.
yourself.
Let me say hi to some people.
Okay,
Nella,
okay.
Before we run off of here. Yes.
Jennifer Gooden.
Jennifer Gooden.
Sasha Lee.
Vanessa.
Glad you enjoyed yourself, queen.
Glad you
Sorry
enjoyed.
you didn't win.
Patricia.
Patricia.
Remember to text us your name
Yes,
and your
right.
phone service.
Yep.
I recognize the name.
Yep, Nationa.
Nationa,
Congratulations again.
congratulations. Gillette. I love you,
Gillette.
Queen. Big up yourself.
Love you,
Yes.
Queen.
Marilyn. Love you too, Queen, with the love of God.
That's
absolutely.
right. Anisha,
yes.
congratulations again.
Yes, Annette. Yes, ever blessed.
Nikki.
Ever blessed, Dominique.
Oh,
yes.
ever blessed, Dominique. Oh, I'm sorry.
Jennifer Foster.
Latoya Williams.
Jennifer, Queen of New
Jennifer
York.
Foster.
How you doing?
Hi, Queen. Long time no see.
Long time. Pat Mullins.
Pat Mullins.
Big up yourself.
Lisa Walters. Rose Green.
Rose Green. Lisa Walter.
Blessings.
Yes. Patricia James. Yes. Melanie.
Don't
She's
forget,
a winner.
Yeah, I'll be texted us, Melanie.
Big up yourself, Queen. Latoya Williams. Tiana. Big up yourself. Collis. Big up yourself.
Big up. Love you too.
Wendy, big up yourself. Blessings,
Wendy,
all right?
yes. Angela, big up, big up, big up.
yourself. All right, Sasha Lee, best host. I enjoy you so much. Fun and inspiring. Love, love always.
Absolutely.
Love always to you too, Queen. All right.
Diana,
big up yourself, Diana.
Big up.
Queen Diana.
Sania,
Perseverance. Yes, Sanya.
perseverance.
Love you too,
Love you,
Queen.
love you, love you too,
Perseverance.
Queen.
Enough love. I love your name. Perseverance.
Yep.
Such a beautiful name. Anicia, enough love to you. Yes. Until we see you guys again on Sunday. Have a blessed night. Sleep well. And if you're going to work, be safe.
Tisha.
All right. No matter what you're doing, make today a wonderful day. All right. And remember, if it's morning where you're at,
Yep.
today is the best day of your life. Tonight is the best night of your life because this is still beating. All right. Love you guys. See you Sunday.
Love you
Bye.
guys. Have a blessed night. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.